Today, I'm creating a beautiful nail set at home with the Kiara Sky Gelly Tips kit. Let's get started. First, I'm sizing the nails. I'm finding the right nail tip to fit each nail. They must reach sidewall to sidewall for a good fit. These tips are the medium square jelly tips. There are other shapes and sizes available as well on the Kiara Sky website. I did purchase this kit myself. It was around $100, but if you go to the nail salon, this kit will easily pay for itself after 2 nail sets. Next, I need to file the inside of the nail tip so the tip can stick to my nail when the builder gel is applied. I'm using this football-shaped bit and my e-file. You can use a hand file or you can rub some acetone on the inside to etch the nail. My e-file speed is at around 8,000 RPMs and I'm only filing the area that will adhere to my nail. Once the nail bed area is filed, I'm going to file the bottom edge of the tip. Doing this step is really important for me because when the nail starts to grow out, it will not have a ledge at the back, which can look like a press-on, and I definitely don't want my nails to look like a press-on. Next, I'm applying the tips to my nail with builder gel. I'm using a peel base, but if you want a long-lasting set, make sure to remove the shine from all of your natural nails. Apply a dehydrator or alcohol, and then you will apply the nails with the builder gel like I'm doing now. I'm applying a nice even coat to all of my nails. Make sure not to get any of this on your skin. If so, just remove it with a brush and some alcohol. Once I've applied the builder gel to all of my nails, I'm going to cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. Now it's time to apply the jelly tips to my nail. I'm going to do this by brushing a thin layer on the inside of the nail tip where the tip meets the nail. Then I wipe off a little onto the cuticle area of the jelly tip. Then I apply the tip by slowly rocking it onto my nail from the cuticle to the free edge. Then I quickly cure the nail in my lamp for 30 seconds. I know you can flash cure it for 10 seconds and then do a full cure at the end, but I do a full 30-second cure. I do have the small Kiara Sky lamp that comes with this kit, but I don't have any outlets near my nail table, so everything I use is rechargeable. But the small lamp from Kiara Sky makes it super easy to cure your jelly tips on. So I just use my full-size lavender lamp and I remove the shiny bottom from my lamp and place it on the edge of my nail table, which allows me to easily cure the tips on while holding the jelly tip on with my other hand. I continue to apply the rest of the jelly tips. If any builder gel seeps out onto your skin, remove it and reapply using less builder gel. You don't need a lot. If you see any bubbles, remove and reapply before curing. And also, when I'm applying the jelly tip, I stop and cure as soon as the builder gel reaches my natural nail tip. Have any of you used these soft gel kits? If so, which ones have you tried and which ones are your favorites? Please let me know in the comments. I started doing nails with this kit, so it will always have a special place in my heart. All of the nails are applied and cured, and so now I'm going to shape the nail tips using a 100 grit hand file. The whole purpose of these kits are to make it easy for us, so all I'm really having to do is lightly file the sides and crispen up the shape at the tip and remove the little notch. I continue the shaping process on the rest of the nails. These jelly tips were so easy and fast. I really don't know why everyone isn't using these kits. They're a game changer for sure. I've used this kit many times and they can last me up to 4 to 6 weeks. My daughter's a nail biter and acrylics have never lasted on her, but these last her weeks and it's all she will wear. Now I'm going to remove the shine with my e-file. I'm using a sanding band at around 5,000 RPMs. You can also use a hand file to remove the shine as well. I'm going to be painting my nails with gel polish, and gel will not stick on a shiny surface. When I remove the shine, I'm just lightly filing the surface. As soon as the nail looks like the shine is gone, I move to another area on the nail. I did want to quickly mention that I do have another video on my channel where I apply the Après soft gel extensions with eNail Couture's bubblegum gel. I'll link that video in the description box if you're interested. If you love fast and easy nails, you'll love that video. I'm just going to finish up removing the shine from my pinky. Once this step is complete, I'm going to go one step further. I'm going to change my e-file bit to a fine 5-in-1 bit. I'm going to set my speed at around 7,000 RPMs, and I'm going to lightly file around my cuticle area to blend the tip in. This is what makes the nails look like your real nails and not press-ons. You can also use a hand file for this step as well. If you want to skip this step, if you're in a hurry, you can. I like using the 5-in-1 bit because it's finer at the tip and it gets coarser at the end. The small fine tip is perfect for sealing the cuticle, which just means blending in the tip. When the nail starts to grow out, it won't have a ledge at the back and it just gives a good result. I'm going to finish up my thumb and then I'm going to be brushing away all of the dust with my dust brush. I'm going to be applying gel polish, and the color I'm going to be using is called Lilac from Kiara Sky. It's a beautiful light lavender with a hint of pink. This color is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to be applying 2 coats, but I only show me applying 1 coat to cut down on the length of the video. This color seems a bit translucent, but just trust the process, and after the second coat is applied and cured, the color looks nice and opaque. So Veterans Day is coming up this Friday. Do any of you have any special plans? Do you get to have off of work? I have several men in the family who have served in the military, and I just wanted to say thank you to all who have served. We appreciate you so much. I'm just going to finish up painting the rest of my nails, and then I'm going to cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. Then I'm going to be coming back and applying the gel top coat. If you're enjoying the video so far, please give it a like. It really helps me out and helps me to continue making these videos for all of you. It's time to apply the top coat. I'm using the Kiara Sky top coat that comes in the Jelly Tips kit. As I'm applying this, I notice it has kind of an oil slick type of look and it's not smooth. So I switched over to the Madam Glam non-wipe gel top coat. And then when I applied it, it started to do the same thing, but then it started to self-level on its own and looked fine after a few seconds. So I continued using this gel top coat for the rest of the nails. I used to paint the tips with gel top coat, but recently I've just been skipping it because it helps me to keep the nice crisp shape. Top coat is my favorite part because the nails come to life, and I know I'm almost finished. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite part of the nail process? When I'm applying the top coat near the cuticle, I kind of push the brush towards the cuticle to get closer and have more control and not touch the skin. Also, I like to paint the tip first and work my way back towards the cuticle. I'm just about finished applying the top coat. Once I'm finished, I like to cure the top coat for 60 seconds. Finally, it's time to apply cuticle oil. This is the Rose Cuticle Oil from Young Nails. I like to apply the cuticle oil on the skin surrounding the nail. I love cuticle oil because it helps me to prevent having dry skin and hangnails, and it finishes the nail look and rehydrates my skin. I like to rub the cuticle oil into the skin really well. After my skin is nice and hydrated, then I go wash my hands off camera. And here is the finished nail look. I love how these nails turned out. The shape of these nails and the color looks amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you made it this far, please subscribe and turn on your notifications so you won't miss any of my videos. I hope you have a great week ahead. See you in the next one. God bless.